Hey guys, I just want to show you another method how to remove bezel from MacBook Pro. If you have some small piece broken like this, you can basically like remove this piece and you will see like double-sided tape underneath. So what you need to do, you need to heat up. If you see like black marks coming out, just stop heating and move to the next. And it's just coming out. And it's going pretty quick. But that's only in case you have you can like get this double side tape. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard. All right, thank you.